But for right now, we go to the business news. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents less. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene are also going down by 25 cents. Propane will decline by $1.92, while it will cost $1.63 less for butane. $155.07 is the average selling rate for the U.S. currency. $123.93 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $202.97 for the pound, and $173.70 for the euro. Finally, the JC Index advanced by 3,609 points today, while the junior market index declined by 6 points. Among the winners were Caribbean producers Jamaica, Supreme Ventures, Access Financial Services, Proven Investments US dollar shares, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. On the losing side were 138 Student Living variable shares, JMD Group Limited 7.25%, JMD Group 7.25% preferable shares, Siboney Group, and Mayberry Investments. And that's the business day. When we come back, we have sports.